Hello, it's me again, Colin from Drone on Aerial Media, and I thought I'd try another one of my experiments. Now, I always film in D-Log when I'm flying my drones, mainly because I enjoy the colour grading process. But I thought I'd just try and see what the other settings actually do. So I went out and flew my drone, and I flew the same route in normal colour mode, hybrid log gamma or HLG colour mode, and in D-Log, just to compare the three. And this is what I come up with. Now this is the footage straight out of the drone. This is the normal mode. This is the HLG mode. And this is the D-Log mode. So let's just look at them again. This is normal. This is HLG. And this is D-Log. So what I did then, I colour graded the D-Log footage, how I normally do it. And now let's compare them again. So normal mode, HLG mode, and D-Log mode after it's been colour graded. So what do you think? I still actually prefer the D-Log mode so I can do my own colour grading. But I hope that this experiment helps you to see the difference between the different colour modes. So thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye.